Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carolyn Arellano, and on this channel, I help service-based business owners grow and scale their businesses through marketing, automation, and systems. Before we jump into today's video, if you've been thinking about trying GoHighLevel, I've partnered with them to give my audience an exclusive 30 free-day trial. You can find the link in the description below. Now, I don't recommend signing up and just clicking random buttons. Follow this entire YouTube series because I'm going to be walking you through everything step by step so that you can actually understand what you're building and why you're building it. Now let's get into today's video. I want to start by asking you a question. Have you ever had a customer call you and you couldn't remember who they were? Or maybe somebody sends you a Facebook message asking for a quote, and then a week later they email you instead. Now you're trying to remember, didn't I already talk to this person? Or maybe somebody calls your office and says, hey, I got your estimate last month and I'm finally ready to book. And you're sitting there trying to remember, who is this person? What did I quote them? Did we actually already talk? Did somebody else on my team handle this? If you've ever experienced that, you're not alone. As business owners, we're communicating with people in so many different places. Phone calls, text messages, emails, Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business profile, website forms. And before you know it, customer information is scattered everywhere. This is exactly why businesses use a CRM. Now, here's where I think people get confused. A lot of business owners hear about GoHighLevel and automatically think it's going to replace every single piece of software that they already use. That's not what a CRM is designed to do. In fact, I still use Booking Koala in my cleaning business because it does an amazing job with scheduling and appointments, as well as dispatching technicians, collecting payments, and managing recurring services. GoHighLevel has a completely different job for me. It's there to help me manage my customer relationships, my marketing, my follow-ups, my communication, and of course, my automations. Think of it this way. Booking Koala helps me perform the work. GoHighLevel helps me grow the business. Those are two very different things. One does not replace the other. They work together. One of my favorite ways to explain a CRM is to think of it as a digital filing cabinet for your business. Every single lead goes into it. Every single customer goes into it. Every phone call, every email, every text message, every estimate, every note. Every conversation you've ever had with that person gets stored in one place. So instead of trying to remember where you talked to someone, you simply open their profile and their entire history is right there. That's incredibly powerful once your business starts to grow. Because let's be honest, when you first start your business and you have 10 customers, it's easy to remember everyone. But what happens when you have hundreds or even thousands of customers? What happens when you start running Facebook ads, Google ads, buying commercial lead lists, scraping property managers, networking every week? Now you're bringing in hundreds of leads every single month. Where are you keeping all of this information? How do you remember who you need to follow up with? Who asked you to call them back next week? Who requested an estimate? Who actually booked? Who didn't book? I always tell my mentorship students that generating leads is actually the easy part. Managing those leads is where businesses either grow or struggle. That's why a CRM becomes one of the most valuable tools in your business. It keeps everything organized. It helps make sure opportunities don't slip through the cracks. And one thing about me is that I love data. I do not like guessing. I don't like hoping somebody followed up. I don't like wondering if an email was actually sent. I want to know. I want to log in and see exactly what's happening inside my business. And that's where GoHighLevel really starts to shine. Let's talk about email marketing because this is another area where I see business owners making a huge mistake. I hear people say all the time, I'm just going to send my newsletter from my regular Gmail account. Please do not do that. Your regular email account wasn't built to send marketing campaigns. When you start sending hundreds or thousands of marketing emails from your everyday business email, you're much more likely to run into deliverability problems. Your emails can land in spam. Some may bounce. Over time, you can even hurt your sender reputation. Inside of GoHighLevel, you connect a dedicated sending domain that's built specifically for email marketing. But here's my favorite part. I don't have to guess whether my email campaign worked. I can actually see the numbers. I can see how many emails were sent, my delivery rate, My bounce rate, my open rate, my click rate, who unsubscribed, which campaign generated the best results. Now I'm making decisions based on facts instead of feelings. Instead of saying, I don't think email marketing works, I can actually look at the data and figure out what needs to be improved. And honestly, that's how I like running my service-based business. Everything is backed by numbers. Now let's talk about text messaging because it's the exact same concept. Now that you understand what a CRM actually is, let's talk about some of the features inside GoHighLevel and more importantly, why they matter. Because one thing I've learned over the years is that software is only valuable if you actually solve problems in your business. I don't buy software because it has 100 different features. I buy software because it saves me time, keeps me organized, helps me make more money, or gives me data that I can actually use. And that's exactly why we use GoHighLevel. Great news, cleaning family. I have officially launched my Cleaning Business Mentor online community, which is a paid monthly membership to an online community of cleaning business owners from all around the globe. Also included are group coaching calls, some of my online courses, new digital downloads, members only videos, and so much more. If you guys are interested in joining my online community with tons of ongoing support, be sure to go ahead and sign up today. Link in the description of this video. Let's talk about the power dialer. If you've been following me for a while, you know I am a huge believer in cold calling, especially if you're trying to land commercial cleaning contracts. Now imagine you're sitting there with a list of 500 businesses. Are you really going to pick up your personal cell phone and manually dial every single one? Probably not. It's slow, it's inefficient, and once your business starts growing, it's just not sustainable. That's where GoHighLevel's power dialer comes in. Instead of manually dialing every number, it automatically works through your call list. You spend less time dialing and more time actually speaking to potential customers. But honestly, that's not even my favorite part. My favorite part is the accountability. Let's say I hire someone to do the cold calling for my business, which we actually do. I do not want to wonder if they worked that day. I don't want to guess if they made 50 calls or 500 calls. I want to know. Inside GoHighLevel, I can log in and see exactly how many phone calls were made, how many people answered the phone, how many voicemails were left, how much time talk they had. Every single note from every conversation, every follow-up they scheduled, every appointment they booked. Everything is documented. As a business owner, that's huge because now I can coach my team. I can identify what's working. I can identify what's not working. And I don't have to rely on someone telling me that they had a productive day. The numbers speak for themselves. Now let's talk about something that used to drive me crazy. Customers don't communicate with us in just one place. Some people call our business, some people text our business, some people send us Facebook messages, others message us on Instagram. Some submit a form through our website, others send an email. Now imagine trying to keep up with all of those conversations. You're opening one app, then another, then another. Before you know it, you've forgotten to reply to somebody because you didn't even remember where they messaged you. GoHighLevel helps solve that by bringing all of your conversations into one inbox. Now, when somebody contacts your business, your team isn't asking, where did they message us? Everything is connected to that customer's profile. That is a huge time saver, especially as your business grows. Another feature that I really like that is built in is the social media planner. Let's be honest, we all know that we should be posting consistently. But life happens. You're answering phone calls, meeting with customers, managing your team, running estimates, putting out fires. The last thing on your mind is stopping in the middle of the day to make an Instagram post. With GoHighLevel, you can sit down once a week or even once a month and schedule your content ahead of time. Educational content, customer testimonials, before and after photos, holiday promotions, hiring posts, special offers. Everything can be planned in advance. Now your social media continues working for you even while you're running your business. Consistency builds trust, and this feature makes consistency much easier. Now let's talk about one of my favorite things, automation. If you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that I am obsessed with systems. I don't like doing repetitive tasks if software can do them for me. Think about how much time business owners waste time every single day doing the same things over and over. A new lead comes in. You send a text, you send an email. You create a reminder to follow up. then you forget, or you just happen to get busy. With a CRM, all of that can happen automatically. Someone fills out a contact form, automatically send them a text, automatically send them an email, automatically notify your office, automatically assign the lead. Somebody books a cleaning, automatically send them appointment reminders, automatically send preparation instructions, automatically request a Google review after the job is complete, automatically follow up 6 months later to remind them that it's time to schedule another cleaning. Your business keeps working even while you're sleeping. That's the power of automation. Now I want to tell you why I personally love using GoHighLevel. And honestly, it has nothing to do with flashy features. It all comes down to one thing: visibility. One thing about me is that I do not like guessing. I don't like paying another company to handle my marketing and then waiting until the end of the month for a report that I don't really understand or even trust. I want to log in and see everything for myself. Show me my email delivery rate. Show me my bounce rate. Show me my open rate. Show me my click rate. Show me how many text messages were actually delivered. Show me how many people replied. Show me how many phone calls were made today. Show me how many appointments were booked. Show me which marketing campaign is actually bringing in customers to my business. That is how you make smart business decisions. Not based on feelings, not based on assumptions, but based on real data. And when you have that kind of visibility in your business, you stop wasting money on things that aren't working. You double down on the things that are. If there's one thing I want you to take away from today's video, it's this: a CRM is not just another piece of software. It's the communication center of your business. It's where your leads are stored, it's where your customers are managed, and where your phone calls, emails, text messages, social media conversations, notes, automations, and marketing campaigns all come together. As your business grows, you simply cannot rely just on your memory anymore. You need systems, you need organization, and you need accountability. Also, you need to know exactly what's happening inside of your business. That's exactly what a CRM gives you. Now, if you've been thinking about trying out GoHighLevel, do not forget that I partnered with them to give my audience an exclusive 30 free day trial. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and create your account and then come right back to this YouTube series, because in the next videos, I am going to show you exactly how to set everything up from start to finish. We'll connect your phone system, we'll connect your email marketing, we'll configure your SMS messaging, we'll build automations, we'll connect your social media accounts, we will organize your pipelines. And by the end of this series, you're not just going to own a CRM, you're going to understand how to use it to grow your business. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, letting me know what GoHighLevel topic you'd like to cover in the next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.